Welcome to C# for Crestron programming. In this video, we will examine the Foreach loop. Looping in code is easily completed, even with dynamic size sets of data, and without regard for index within an array or collection. We will be starting with the C# console.NET framework project called Foreach loops. Within our static void main method, we have already declared and initialized a string array of Crestron products called myArray. This will be the data set we will use for our looping operation. We have also predefined the individual write-line statements to access each item in the array via its index. There are other looping mechanisms we can use to simplify this code. However, other looping mechanisms rely more heavily on an explicit indexer to access items within an array or list. Take this for loop as an example. You can see the same operation has completed, but does rely on the index number. This works well for our data set, as it is fixed in length, and we do set our bounds based on that property. However, in situations where data is not easily indexed, or the collection does not use an easily or numerically indexed data set, we take advantage of the Foreach loop. Entering Foreach and hitting tab twice brings in the structure of the Foreach loop. The curly braces will contain the code block evaluated for each item in your dataset. The item variable with its var type represents whatever your dataset contains, be it a common data type like int or string, or your own custom object. Any of var, item, or collection can be modified to suit your dataset, but in is a required keyword. Here, for each item contained within myArray, we will write a statement to console. You will note that we do not need to supply a custom indexer, as the Foreach will only operate on existing items within our dataset. You have learned the structure for the Foreach loop and how to safely access items in an array without concern to the array length or item index. We will be working further with Foreach loops when we discuss lists and dictionaries. Thank you for watching.